All right, hi there. This is going to be a screencast to do distributed gRPC node for task 1, where I'm going to be showing the two services, which will be the sort and coffee pot. Where in sort, once it starts running, the client would have to provide a list of numbers, and then the response will be received back of those sorted numbers, and it has to be an integer number. For coffee pot, it's similar to a coffee machine, and once you select brew, that option on the client menu, it would give back a response as brewing, and there's like a time clock where as you continually choose the brew status, you would see different times until eventually it gets to 0 and it would indicate get ready. Then you would choose the option get cup. So anyways, how to build and run it. You start off with a Gradle clean build. Right now I'm going to do that. Notes. Okay, let that run. Still waiting on it. Build successful. Now the second option would be to start the service node on the local host default value. And it's ready, copy and paste ready. So start doing that. Okay, it's starting on the node as mentioned. Now we can head on over to the interactive client. Okay, now we can run a self-test. As you can see here on this end, you can see the menu. Sort numbers, brew coffee, get cup, brew status. If you want to interact, as I noticed, did not let it go. Yep. So if you want to interact and do your own version, you can use this command, where you can choose your choices. So for example, I want to do brew coffee. Okay, now it started, gave you back a message. Its success was true. Give back a message that it started brewing the coffee and it's ready in 30 seconds. All right, we're waiting a while. So you can choose an option, brew status. And you can see 14 seconds left, and the status message is the coffee still brewing. Eventually it'll hit to 0. So I'm gonna go get the cup. Oh, it's saying wait 1 second left, it's still brewing. Now, let's see here. Now, okay. Now it's stopped brewing, now enjoying. 3 cups remaining. Great. Now we can do sort number. Enter numbers by spaces. Okay, 23, 505, 2, 19. Okay. Now we can use an algorithm. 3, want to be in terms of those, you had those options, merge sort, quick sort, and internal sort. I chose number 3, so I laid out in descending order. So the lowest up top to the highest as the last one. So yeah, that is my 2 services line. That is how you run it. You can do the test here. All right, that was my program.